It's a colorful way to bond with your bump while celebrating your baby. Owner of Fantastic Faces J.A., Angelique Hall, tells us about the art of pregnant painting. Morning, Angelique.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning
Thank you,
time.
thank you.
How long have you been painting, first of all?
I've been painting from 2015. That's when I just started.
Yeah.
I really got down into the business in 2016.
What inspired that?
Lack of face painters, quality face painters and body painters in Jamaica. And also my love for creation and art.
That's wonderful. So you're self-taught or did you study art?
No, I didn't study art. I actually trained myself off YouTube.
Off YouTube? Oh, that's awesome. And here's some of the things that you do. So you do cartoon characters and a number of things. So how does it work? You go to events, private events, public events? What do you do?
Birthday parties, public events, you know, when they're having like fun fests and stuff like those. Yeah, I would go out and then be showground and stuff like that.
That one's so funny. So today we're talking about pregnant belly painting. How we reached there, Sir Angelique?
I actually had a baby last year, the 25th of December. So I started off very...
On Christmas Day?
Yes.
Oh, wonderful.
Yes, so I actually started off on my own tummy because then I didn't have any pregnant mothers to do that with. And yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we have some tummies and mummies here this morning. Who's our first model?
Our first model is Chrissy.
Hey, Chrissy. So talk to me about what's on Chrissy's tummy.
So we basically have
a stork.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Carrying the baby in the moonlight there.
Yeah.
A little tree over there and some flowers just to make it.
How long does it take to get something like this done? Depends on the design.
Depends on the design and so on.
All right. So does mommy lie flat? Does mommy stand still?
She would sit for a while, and if she gets uncomfortable, put her to lay down and so.
Is it water? Is it easily removed?
Yes, it's easily removed.
Easily removed. All right. So there's a stork delivering. All right. And who's next?
Next we have Monique.
Hey, Monique. There comes Mickey Mouse. So do the moms say this is what I want, or do you say, you know, this is what I feel like drawing today, or this is what I think will look nice?
I actually gave them the design based for the show, but normally if a mommy wants something, then she will recommend.
But do you have like a book so they can look through the book and say, well, I like this, I like that? No.
No.
Okay.
You could just look online and find something that they like. Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Mickey. And our final model is
Rochelle.
Hey, Rochelle. There's a mosquito. Rochelle gone way over there. Right. So Rochelle, come a little bit towards me, Rush. All right, right there is good. So there you are. Smile Jamaica. Some wonderful beach, sunset, birds. And that's so pretty.
Yes, it is.
So I mean, this is like even people have a baby shower and you want to come and paint mommy's tummy or whatever the event is. You're able. So you say you have an Instagram page. What's the Instagram page, Angelique?
It's Fantastic Faces JA 2978.
Fantastic Faces JA 2978. So all the mummies come out for me. So you do faces, so it's just body art.
Yeah. Basically.
Here they go. So they have to take pictures, and when baby comes, you say, baby, this is what you're on TV, and this is what you look like. Don't worry, our men in the studio are busy lining mummies up. Pregnant belly painting. Owner Fantastic Faces J.A. Angelique Hall. You check her out on social media. Young Jamaican, pushing out in the business. So please support her, particularly because it's culture, it's art, Angelique, have you start draw some guinea and some mango?
And some hummingbird and
Yeah, some Jamaican ackee
Yeah.
and them things now. Yes, thank you, miss. Thank you so much for being here. All right, so do you have enough support during your pregnancy? We're going to be talking about that after the break. Don't go away. You can draw an Aubrey head. Not